Hello guys, today we've got a slightly interesting video and it's inspired by the film Rambo Last Blood, a new one. I was watching the advert and saw it's an epic knife which looked handmade and awesome. I thought, right, I've got to make this. So here's the knife. Please subscribe if you want to be as strong as Rambo and as deadly as Rambo. So remember, please subscribe. So, let's get making. Firstly, glue the template to the metal. You might be able to find a template in the description later on. When using the angle grinder, always clamp your work. I cut the long piece of metal in half. I'm drilling holes to make it easier to cut curves. I'm now roughly cutting it to shape with a cutting blade. Now it's roughly cut out, I'll replace the cutting blade with the grinding blade so I can get the proper shape I want. I was really scared for my camera lens. Now we're going to achieve the final shape with a range of files. I like using a belt sander on the spline of the blade because all the scratch marks are in one direction, which looks more professional. We're marking a centre line so we know where to grind to. Now slowly grind a bevel. In the Rambo films, the knife is meant to be handmade, so I added a bit of henna by whacking it with a hammer with a range of hammers to get dense, to make it look like it is hand forged. Now for the heat hardening. This step doesn't actually harden the blade because it's mild steel, which is bad steel, but it adds colour, and that colour makes it look professional and proper. So this is a movie prop. I'm adding some shims to bulk up the handle. Now cut a strip of fox leather to about 20mm and wrap it tightly around the blade. I super glued this tab in for decoration. For the hand grip I used a leather thong and I tied over hand knot. Okay, thank you so much for getting to the end of the video. It means so much to me, and please subscribe because that also means a lot to me. And also please comment how I can improve my videos, and how I can improve perhaps my colour grades, how I can improve anything, better transitions or more ideas, because I love your ideas and I love hearing from you. So until next time, goodbye. Please subscribe.